Bryce Herman joining us on Midday to talk about the 5th annual Rib Fest, which runs from August 5th to 7th. Yep. And it is a very popular and delicious event that we all look forward to.
We do,
yeah.
we do. And I dressed, I dressed in the party mode. I was taking some static from Joshua and a few others, you know, about maybe tone the shirt down. But
I don't know why you don't have a drink in your hand right now.
I should have a drink in my hand.
I know.
It would kind of, but I mean, I kind of have a drink all over me.
That's
so.
Right. It's a good shirt. I like it.
Oh, yeah, it's got some energy.
It gets you in the mood. You better be wearing that next weekend.
I think I might.
That's right.
I think I might, yeah.
Okay, so this is the 5th year that Rib Fest is taking place down at Riverside Park.
Yep.
Ribbers from all over the country, right? Is that right?
There
is
is,
fair to say?
yeah. And I mean, Pacific Northwest, they're from, you know, central Canada, etc. But, you know, they are the show. That's what it's all about. There's no doubt about it. The ribbers are what makes all the difference in the world. So we're really excited about having them back again this year. It'll be the same group as what we had last year. And so we're looking forward to that. And of course, paired along with that, of course, is a full service bevy garden. And we've got a family-friendly bevy garden that's expanded this year, so that'll be, you know, more in the stage area. And of course, we'll be running live entertainment again from 11 in the morning right until 9 o'clock each night.
And that's all the activities are free, with the exception, of course, if you're buying ribs.
That's right. The ribs are the only thing, and the bevy garden. And we've got some here. We're showing some footage here from last year. Give you a bit of an idea of what it's like.
It's always packed.
It is packed. And, you know, I know we're going to be doing the show live out of there on the Friday.
Right.
And Susan, I think, will be back by that time, so we'll be doing that. We're looking forward to hosting you again down there. We'll be sampling some stuff. This is one of our tribute bands here. This was actually the Tom Petty, Totally Tom. And this year, following along with that same great theme, we've got a whole series of tribute acts that are going to close off the night.
I like that.
Local entertainers, regional entertainers will be going throughout the day, but closing off on the evening, Friday night, we've got a Bob Seger tribute band. And then Saturday night will be Rod Stewart tribute.
Nice.
And Sunday night will be Leonard Skinner.
Oh, wow.
So
how could you not go down?
Yeah, how could you not go down?
Right?
I mean, just the closing acts. But then, I mean, when you look at the others that are there, we're going to have some great local bands that'll be participating again. Paisley Groove will be joining us, Chapter 9. They've currently got a new song that is airing on one of your stations here with CIFM. And so that's a new release for them as well. So they'll be performing as well on the Saturday night.
There's just a lot to look forward to. It's almost, you know, it's a day out or a night out, right?
It totally is. I mean, you can come down and enjoy yourself, enjoy yourself each day, come down for a portion of the day, come down and spend the whole day with us.
Right.
But there's kids' activities. I mean, we should really be talking about that as well. That the
face painting.
Face painting. You know, we've got the Save On Family Fun Zone, and that whole area is going to be checker-block full of activities for kids and family. There'll be, you know, some food offerings over in that area, and opportunities for water and pop and those kinds of things for the kids as well.
That's good.
There'll be dragon boat races on Saturday that are going to go all day long, and so we're utilizing the water, the land.
Every part of the park.
We are using every piece of the park. There'll be a really great event on Sunday morning as well. So Rods and Ribs, kind of a little bit of a carryover from Hot Night in the City on Saturday, but we'll be doing a small show and shine on Sunday morning. The Lions Club will be there doing a pancake breakfast. So they'll kick it off at 9 o'clock in the morning, and you'll be able to come down and do that. People's Choice Awards for the show and shine, and then we'll do the announcements of those winners at 11 o'clock just as we kick it off for the day's entertainment. Absolutely.
And you also raise money, right? Like there is a portion of this where it's important to know that a lot of the money raised at Rib Fest goes right back into our community.
The money. And I think that's the really important piece. Every dime that is generated out of Rib Fest, every dime of it and all of the proceeds that come in, it's community money.
Right.
It doesn't belong to the Rotary Club. It doesn't belong to our hosting partners and so on. Interior Savings is our lead on this. We have a huge thanks to them, but none of the money goes anywhere except right here, and the focus of every dime that goes out is for children, youth programs, and seniors.
Perfect.
So every dime that comes in is going to stay right here. So it isn't like there's profits and proceeds that are going to go somewhere.
No,
and
you know your money's going to a good cause.
As a Rotarian, I'm very proud to say that every dime that we make stays right here in the community. We don't buy a cup of coffee, we don't buy donuts, we don't do any of those things. We don't have a breakfast, we don't have a lunch meeting, none of those things on the proceeds that are raised. All of that money stays right here. So it's really the money of the citizens of Kamloops. All we're doing is finding a way to funnel it, channel it, create an event that is a really great opportunity for people to come and have fun. And I know we'll see you down there.
I'll be there for sure.
Absolutely.
Yeah, and Jeremy loves ribs too. So
yes,
there's
he
no
tells
way we
me
won't
that.
be there.
And how about Max? Does Max like it?
He does actually. He really does. Yes, we had them the other night. So we won't have them again until next weekend.
Yeah, we even have stroller parking, you know, for the family.
See, you're catering to those young families
we've got it all.
and any family. Yeah. Perfect. Thanks, Bryce. So the 5th annual Rib Fest, August 5th to 7th. There's the information at the bottom of the screen. Riverside Park. Make sure you check it out. So much going on. Activities, music, everything. We'll be right back after a break. Couple minutes. Stay with us.